This AC-powered pressure washer is perfect for the toughest of outdoor cleaning. It has the same features as petrol-powered models, but is more environmentally friendly. It blasts oil and grime from garage floors and concrete drives. It will also clean pavers and stone paths and those hard-to-reach places of the four-wheel drive. The brushless induction motor gives you a lot of power, but still conserves water. A standard garden hose uses more and doesn't even come close to the same level of performance. The turbo nozzle attachment is for the toughest jobs. It helps you clean stubborn stains on concrete or mossy areas. Just don't use the turbo nozzle on any delicate surfaces like your car's paintwork. It has a soap nozzle and soap dispenser on board, which is perfect for washing your car. The 15-degree nozzle is for larger surfaces. It's great for general purpose cleaning, like removing mud and grime from vehicles, paths and driveways. It's also good for cleaning surfaces prior to painting. It has a 10-metre power cord and a 7-metre hose. Combined with the rugged truck frame and big wheels, you can take it almost anywhere. So if you have tough outdoor cleaning jobs that need a lot of power and you prefer AC to petrol, this is the one for you.
Ryobi, a cut above.